cell-derived inflammation, cell-derived mediators, and plasma-derived mediators. In cell-derived mediators, there are total 7 types: histamine, serotonin, arachidonic acid-derived mediators, cytokines, chemokines, nitric oxide, and platelet activating factors. In plasma-derived mediators, there are total 3 systems: complement system, kinase system, and coagulation system. Here I have created a small flowchart containing all the cell-derived mediators. First, histamine. Histamine is the main source of mast cell. Histamine is basically secreted by mast cell, basophils, platelets. It is derived from histidine amino acid. The main function of histamine is vasodilation and increased vascular permeability. Similarly, there is also serotonin, which is mainly secreted by platelets and endochromaffin cells of GA. Secret amino acid from serotonin is produces tryptophan, and the function is vasoconstriction, which is different from the opposite from histidine, and it also increases vascular permeability. Now, the arachidonic acid metabolites. Now we can see arachidonic acid is a 20 carbon 6 phospholipid group, acts on the cell membranes in phospholipids to produce arachidonic acid. On the action of cyclooxygenase, it produces prostacyclins, thromboxane, and prostaglandins. In prostacyclin, PGI2, which is vasodilator and inhibits the platelet aggregation. And thromboxane A2, it supports the platelet aggregation and does the function of vascular contraction. Whereas prostaglandin, there are 2 prostaglandins, PGD2 and PGE2, which are secreted by mast cells. These functions of these are vasodilation, increased vascular permeability, and chemoattractive for neutrophils, which is chemotaxic function. If the cyclooxygenase not act, then 5-lipoxygenase acts, which produces 5-hydroxy hypodeoxy leukocyte acid. On the action of leukotriene A4, it produces leukotriene A4 and leukotriene D4, which is chemotaxic in function. And there are other products are leukotriene C4, leukotriene D4, and leukotriene E4, which have bronchospasm and increased vascular permeability function. From 5-HPETE, on the action of 12-lipoxygenase produces lipoxin A4, lipoxin B4. Basically, lipoxin main function to deactivate the action of leukotriene B4. Main vasodilators are prostaglandin, PGI2, prostacyclin, PGE1, PGE2, PGD2. Main vasoconstrictors are thromboxane A2, leukotriene C4, D4, E4, and increased vascular permeability, leukotriene C4, D4, E4, and chemotaxic function is for leukotriene B4. Now we will see the cytokines. What are cytokines? Cytokines are basically proteins which mediate inflammation reaction in our body. Sources of main cytokines are lymphocyte, macrophages, dendritic cells, endothelial cells, epithelial cells, and connective tissues. On the local action, there are 2 necrosis factors, interleukins, examples of cytokines. 2 necrosis factor, interleukin 1. On the endothelial action, increase the expression of adhesion, which is part of acute inflammation, which increase the permeability. Human necrosis factor, leukotriene 1, also increase the chemokines actions, which have the chemotaxic function. Human necrosis factor, interleukins act on the neutrophil to enhance the neutrophil response to the stimuli. Interleukin 1 and interleukin 6 act on the T cell, which produce interleukin 17, and which produce all the types of interleukins. Interleukin 1 on the fibroblast activity produces collagen. On systemic protective effect, human necrosis factor and interleukin 1 produce PGE2, which produce the fever in our body, which act on mainly brain. human necrosis factor, interleukin, and the acute phase proteins, interleukin 6 also. Human necrosis factor, interleukin 1 produce serum amyloid bodies, and interleukin CRP5 granules. Human necrosis factor, interleukin 1, interleukin 6 on the bone marrow produce leukocytes, which produce WBC. On the systemic factor effects, human necrosis factor on the heart decrease lower the cardiac output. On the endothelial cell and blood vessels, human necrosis factor produces vasodilation, which increases the permeability of the blood vessels. Human necrosis factor suppresses the appetite, which causes cancer cachexia. Human necrosis factor, interleukin 1 on the skeletal muscle produces insulin resistance. Also loss of fatty tissue. Here is the start with human necrosis factor, interleukin 1, interleukin 6 and chemokines, interleukin 17, mainly in the acute inflammation. These are their sources. Incromegaly, interleukin 12, interferon gamma, interleukin 17, chronic inflammation. Interferon gamma mainly for the phagocytic action of. Now there are chemokines. Chemokines are the proteins which mainly have the action of chemotaxis. There are total 4 types of chemokines. C chemokines, CC chemokine, CXC chemokine, CX3, C chemokine. What is this C? It is cysteine. In chemokine, only one cysteine group is present. C chemokine. It is specific for lymphocytes. In CC chemokine, there are 2 cysteine groups present, which are mainly for monocyte, eosinophils, basophil, lymphocyte. Eosinophils produces ecotaxin, which is specific for CC chemokines. In CXC chemokines, chemokines are specific for neutrophils, secreted by macrophages. Epithelial cell causes activation and chemokinesis of the neutrophil. In CX3, C chemokine. Also in CXC chemokine, what is X? It is the another area of organism which is present. It may be area of organism. In CX3 chemokine, each one the same amino acid has 2 cysteine groups. Only one member is there for CX3C, and mainly secreted by monocyte and cell adhesion, chemotaxis. Mainly chemokines have the chemotaxis functions. Now platelet activity factors, which are platelet-derived mediums, which are also present here. These are secreted by platelets, endothelial cell, neutrophils, and basophils. Main function: vasoconstriction, bronchoconstriction. At low concentration causes vasodilation also, and platelet activation. Platelet activating factors are basically derived from platelets and have more activity than histamine. Nitric oxide, which is colorless and odorless, secreted from endothelial derived releasing factor. From arginine it is produced. Main function is contraction of smooth muscle, increased vascular permeability, vasodilation, microvascular function, which is phagocytic in function. So here our cell derived mediators are equal. These are our plasma derived mediators. There are total 3 systems in plasma derived mediators. First, complement system. In complement system, alternate pathway, lectin pathway. In classical pathway, it is triggered by antigen and antibody reactions. In alternate pathway, it is triggered by microbial surface molecules, which are lipopolysaccharides or endotoxins. In mannose or lectin pathway, mannose binding is lactic. It is triggered by mannose binding lectin to the microbial mannose. All these pathways mainly produce C3 by the C3 convertase. Now C3 convertase have produced different types of complement system effects. There are C5A, C3A, which mainly have the function of inflammation. C3B mainly have the function of phagocytosis, and MAP is mainly function of cell lysis. C5A is the chemotaxis, C3B Immune system. Factor 12.
ते किती मिनटं झाली?
10 मिनिट 9:30.
Calligreen is activated by factor 12 which activate kininogen which ultimately produce bradykinin, which is main product of bradykinin. Main functions of bradykinin are contraction of smooth muscle, vasodilation, gain pain. Degeneration of kinin is short-lived, so it has short half-life. Now coagulation, it is a cleavage product of fibrin producing inflammation. Products of coagulation cascade may be found as